In this lesson, you will learn how to link your test sheet to your requirements. Linking the test case design instances to the requirements allows you to have an overview at this stage of how much of your project has been put into the planning process. To link the instances to the requirements is simple. You drag and drop the instances from the test sheet onto their respective requirements. If all of the instances should be linked, you can drag and drop the entire test sheet. But if only a certain set belong to a particular sprint, for example, you can select individual instances to drag. The linked instances then become test case substitute links. Assuming you have properly defined your test sheet, these test case substitute links now demonstrates how many test cases will later need to be built in the test cases section to cover this requirement. The rule of thumb for test sheet creation is one test sheet per requirement. That test sheet should contain all test cases for that requirement. Of course, if you work in sprints, this may differ in that you would have one test sheet which will contain test cases that will be created over multiple sprints. When you create the test cases, you will link them to the same requirements, and the substitute links will become test case links. Finally, when you create execution lists, you will link the execution lists to the whole requirements set, and this will show you the progress of your entire project. In other words, you will know which test cases have been defined, which requirements are being worked on, and how far along you are, and, if any executions have run, which have passed or failed. This will be your project dashboard within Tosca Commander.